As I ponder the future of work, I can't help but wonder, when will AI truly replace humans in all jobs? It's a tantalizing thought. We're already seeing AI excel in data analysis, customer service, and even creative fields like art and music. But can it really take over every role? Consider the nuances of human interaction, empathy, intuition, and the ability to navigate complex social dynamics. These are qualities that machines struggle to replicate. While AI can automate repetitive tasks, jobs that require emotional intelligence or critical thinking are still very much in the human domain. Experts suggest that rather than outright replacement, we're more likely to see a transformation of roles. AI could handle the mundane, freeing us to focus on innovation and creativity. So, while the timeline for AI taking over all jobs remains uncertain, one thing is clear. The future of work will be a collaboration between humans and machines, reshaping our roles rather than erasing them. But what does this collaboration between humans and AI really look like? In many industries, we're already seeing examples of how AI can complement human abilities. Take healthcare, for instance. AI systems can rapidly analyze medical images and assist in diagnosing diseases, often more accurately than human doctors. However, the critical role of providing emotional support to patients, making complex ethical decisions, and applying years of intuitive experience still rests firmly with human healthcare providers. In creative industries, AI tools are being used to aid in generating music, designing graphics, and even writing scripts. Yet, even as machines become more capable of producing technically proficient works of art, it is humans who provide the emotional depth, cultural context, and personal touch that resonate with audiences on a profound level. The creative process often involves drawing on lived experiences and imagination, qualities machines are not capable of replicating. Moreover, the rise of AI will likely lead to the creation of entirely new roles. Jobs like AI trainers, ethicists, and human-machine interface designers are emerging as humans are needed to teach machines, ensure ethical guidelines are followed, and design systems that integrate AI with human tasks seamlessly. The future of work may involve humans managing, collaborating, and innovating alongside AI in ways that we can only begin to imagine today. In many ways, AI is not about replacement, but augmentation. It can enhance human capabilities by taking over repetitive tasks and processing massive amounts of data, allowing us to focus on what we do best: creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Rather than fearing AI, we should be preparing to harness its power to complement our skills. Ultimately, the future of work may not be a zero-sum game where humans are replaced by machines. Instead, it could represent a dynamic partnership where AI handles the routine and mechanical, while humans tackle the complex, the creative, and the empathetic. Together, this partnership may unlock levels of productivity and innovation previously unimaginable.